Hello everyone, welcome to Harmonigate YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we'll see how we can create a PDF file in webMethods. So basically we will be using HTML template to create or generate a PDF. So we'll be using external jars for the same. So in webMethods, so there is no such built-in services available which you can directly use to create a PDF. Okay, so for that we need to take help of external libraries. So for this particular demo, we will be using Flying Saucer and the iText. Okay, so basically we'll be using these two jars. So we'll be having the core jar and we'll have the basic jar for the SAM. Okay, so that I have already downloaded, and also I will be giving the link in the description. You can visit our website, and from the website you can download the whole code along with the Java service. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just create a package. So basically, if you are like in project requirement, you have to create some invoice or something like that. So you can make use of the XSLT to transform the XML like document to HTML format, and then you can make use of this particular like a service that we are going to build, right? To generate the PDF out of the HTML. Okay, so how you can create the HTML from the XSLT service, right? That also we have covered. So you can, I'll be just being I will give the link in the description for that particular article. You can go through that, and we have also provided the code, the website itself, and you can download it and you can explore. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just create a package. We'll give it PDF utility. Okay, and then we'll click finish. Okay, then we'll have the folder inside it. Okay, and then we have basic folder structure. We'll just create it. Folder B1. Then we'll have util. Okay, so in this util we'll just pass two variables. Sorry, we'll just create a Java service here, and we'll give it a name, create PDF. Okay, or generate PDF, whatever you want to give, you can just name it. Okay, and in the Java service we'll be passing the HTML content. So give it HTML and content. Okay, and we'll have one more as path. Okay, and we'll have the file name. Okay, okay, so now we have created three variables and we need to write the code for this as well. So I'll just generate it so that you can accept these input parameters. Okay, just go to source and test it. Okay, now we have these things. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to put our jars. Okay, go to, I'll just get it, zero drive jars. So I have kept these three jars here. We'll just copy all this. I'll just put it there. Software regime, integration server, instances, default, packages, and we'll have Harmonigate, PDF utility. Okay, yeah. So go to code, then jars, then paste it here. Okay. Now just restart the server. Let me do that one. So go to software regime, integration server, and just restart it. You have few other ways to restart it as well. For that also we have created one article so that you can go through. I'll just give you the link in the description. Okay, so let's pause this video and until the integration server comes up. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. So our integration server is up and running. So let's do one thing. Designer, connect. Okay, so now we need to import the classes. So you can see this organization XHTML render. This is basically class is present in iText that jar. Okay, so we can see it is giving us error even though we have loaded those into the package directory. Okay, so designer don't know how what this particular jar exists. So what we need to do, we need to, if you're doing the development in designer, right, so you need to explicitly tell the designer like this is where you need to pick up the the jar exists. Okay, so what we need to do, go to the Java perspective. Okay, and just refresh it. Okay, so just refresh it. You'll be able to see the package that you have in your integration server. Right, so you can see one folder with the name. Right click on that, click on build path, and click on configure build path, and click on class. Then just click on the add external jars, and then come to PDF utility code 10 jars, and just select whatever jar you want to load. Okay, click OK, click apply and close. And once you do that one, see, now we are not getting that error. Okay, so now we have the variables created, and also we have imported the classes that we need. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to write a function or method which will basically responsible to create or they write the PDF file. Okay, so in argument we'll just pass so whatever HTML content we have, and also the full output path along with the file name. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we'll just write it public static void. Okay, let's don't return anything, just write void and then convert to PDF. Okay, and this will accept two parameters. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just give two parameters, string HTML data, and one more thing we'll give string full path. Okay, these are the two strings that we'll be passing, and also in case of any error we'll be throwing that exception, right? So let's do one thing. Okay, let's put try, and then we'll have catch. Okay, and we'll have okay. Okay, so now we have try and catch block implemented. Okay, so now we need to write how we need to create the PDF out of the HTML content that we have, right? So what we'll do, So what we'll do, I text, okay, then render as text, okay, and we'll give it as render equal to new text center as. Okay, so now what we need to pass the HTML content that we have, okay, and then we'll perform the layout creation, then we'll just write it as a PDF. Okay, so what we'll do, renderer copy, Control Z, okay, set document from string, document from string, okay, and here we'll be giving HTML data that we have. Okay, then we need to create the layout, okay, dot layout, then we need to create the PDF, okay, dot create PDF, and it is was, okay. So now we are done with the code, okay, so exception we're not doing anything, okay, so we need to actually throw the exception out of the Java service when it catch it, okay, so what we'll do, throw, okay, new service exception, okay, and in parameter pass whatever we set, okay, and service exception, okay, it is giving error, so we need to add it here as well, throws, okay. Now we have created the functions that we need, or the method that we need. Now we need to call this particular method, okay, so what we'll give, copy the method name, and this is our method name, what it accepts, HTML data, what will pass, HTML content we have, this will be the first parameter, comma, and then we have path, then we have file name, but it accepts the full path, right? Then we will have path first, okay, copy the path, then plus, and then we'll have the file name, okay, and we are done. Now I have one HTML content, you can see this is the HTML that we have, and just run this particular HTML and we'll generate the PDF out of it, okay, so just run this particular service, run as service, and in HTML content just give it, okay, and the path they want it is invoice, it should be invoice, right, invoice dot PDF, okay, and sorry, this is not the path, this is the file name, and path will give zero directory, and here we'll just write it, okay, and click OK. Now it's successfully run, and if you go to the directory, and you can see there is a invoice generated, okay, just open it, and you can see this is the PDF, okay. So one more thing we can do actually, so if you see here, we're not getting any error, but we're not getting success message as well, okay. So what we'll do, we'll just write message, okay, and we'll just copy it, message, then we'll go to utility, Get PDF utility. Generate code. Okay. Finish. And if you see and this is what we need. Put it here. Okay. Now we want this particular method to return one value success message to the parent. Okay, whoever is calling that one. Okay. So to do that one, let's do one thing. String. Okay. And message. Okay, equal to this. Now this is a void, right? Let's remove void. Okay, and it should return something, right? Return. Okay. Okay, now this message will hold the return message from the service. I will just pass it output. Okay, Control S. Now let me just remove this one. Run as service. Now you can see message is successful. Wherever you are calling this Java service, you can have one branch. Okay, and if it is coming as null or something, and also it should throw exception if it is not successful. Okay, so you can just check over there, and if you open this, we have in the invoice. That's all. You can go through the article. We will be publishing the article for this particular one visual. I'll give you the link in the description, and you can check that out. We have the full code accessible from our website. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye bye.